Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. A little quick update, Mara. The potential double is still in place. Unless it gets above 527, it will remain in place. That's the key level we're watching. If it does rally above there, this potential double is no longer a potential double. Also, if it rotates up here and makes a triple top, it's also no longer a potential double. So let's move this real quick. Not that one. Let's move this one. Bring the front. Here we go. All right. 4-hour chart. So we paused, bumped up. We had 503 as the next level, and then 527 to 534. It got up to a high of 524. So clearly not above that 527. Also forming a divergence and coming back to the 4-hour rotation zone and the 25% retracement and filling the gap. So this should have been, if you were trading this, which it's up to you, this was the area that it started breaking down, especially with this gap going lower. You watch for the gap fill. You watch, then we start dropping below that. You watch for the rotation zone and the 25% retracement. And all those came into play right here. Now, if it rotates back up for next week and gets above this high, which is right above the 12.5% retracement of 468, then we'll watch for the gap fill, which would take, let me just double check there if we don't technically have a gap fill there. Sorry about that. Let me just, oh yes we do, sorry, because I just got confused on the candle. So we do have a gap fill. It's a weird kind of gap fill because a gap down, you're overlapping a candle. So that's not a normal gap fill, but you would be watching it for a return to the 497 area. So those are your key levels to the upside. Again, if we continue up 590 is the next key level. If we get down below this $4 mark, I'm just rounding down from 403 to $4. Start watching for this major gap fill that could potentially take us down to the bottom of the 4-hour rotation zone and a price of 330. Daily chart, still a ways. Your 330 is just below the rotation zone. Also on the daily, so this could easily come down, fill the gap, and then close back above the rotation zone. So those are the kind of things I'll be watching for. Again, if it does head lower, we'll be watching for the potential double to trigger at some point. That's what we're doing with Mara, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.